Wait, when was we gonna... Susan?
It's not on intention.
I know. Extra special care of little Max.
No problem. No, she doesn't have
See ya.
Dad's friend about getting your band another chance. Surprise, surprise. I'm sorry. Wait. Okay, it's 4-4. Great game, kid.
What?